Welcome to Aya, and welcome to Aya Golden Energy Healing. So in the intro video, we introduced the concept of energy healing. Let me repeat the definition. Energy healing is the use of the body's natural healing mechanisms with conscious intent and involves the manipulation of the magnetic energy fields within the body. These energy fields can be used to create healing energy and can be used in a self-healing capacity or can be transferred to others to perform a healing task. So that's energy healing. But what is golden energy healing? Well, to answer that, we have to explain what this type of energy actually is. You may have heard of a type of energy called chi, or prana, or life force, or subtle energy. These are very traditional or ancient names for a type of energy that exists everywhere around us and that's vital for the existence of life and integral to the functioning of our bodies. In fact, there are many parts of our anatomy as yet unknown to science that are made from this type of energy. This energy has been known about for thousands of years in ancient wisdom and has been part of many cultural systems of healing for a long time. To be clear though, science and modern medicine does not recognize this type of energy. At Aya, we're of the opinion that it's only a matter of time before it gets fully discovered by mainstream healthcare, because we understand these energies to be types of magnetic fields. Now, science already knows a great deal about magnetic fields, but in our understanding at Aya, it is that science has not found this type of energy because the magnetic fields are so weak, far below the levels that science can currently detect. So if you'll indulge us slightly, we'll now take you on a journey of golden energy and show you the magnetic energy fields that make such a difference to your health and well-being. Golden energy is all around us. Golden energy is a mixture of many different frequencies of magnetic field. You can see golden energy if you look hard enough. If you look at a black background, for example, and you try and focus on the space in between you and the background, you relax your focus a little bit. You can actually make out a fuzzy little golden haze. That's golden energy. You know, energy senses are a natural part of the human experience. Try that exercise yourself and you'll see what I mean. Now, golden energy is all frequencies together. You can actually separate out frequencies of energy, and when you do, you see that they form the colors of the rainbow spectrum. Our energy senses have evolved to see energy frequencies. Now, this is very important when you start talking about different chakra frequencies. Don't worry, we'll get to that. You can use the analogy of light when trying to wrap your head around this. White light that comes from the sun is all frequencies of light together. But if you shine it through a prism or a raindrop, you get a spectrum of different colors. Subtle magnetic energy is not light. It's a different type of energy. But our minds have evolved to interpret it in the same way as light. That's why we see chakras as different colors. Now, we'll learn about that later. So let's get on with the journey of golden energy healing. Golden energy is everywhere around us, and we need a constant supply of it for our bodies to function. It's constantly flowing through us and grounding into the earth. It's actually used as a carrier system for all of the energy vessels in the energy body. This stuff is flowing around us and inside us, and it's used for all sorts of things in our bioenergy systems. One of the functions is that the body can turn this golden energy into healing energy. Golden energy can be chopped up into all its different frequencies, and then programming can be attached to it. The programming is like a set of instructions. It tells the energy where to go and what to do. And it's the mind that programs it. Have you heard of the mind-body effect? Well, it's exactly that, the very powerful effect that the mind can have on the body. So, in summary, golden energy is all of the frequencies of magnetic fields together. Golden energy is everywhere around us, including inside us. Golden energy is used in our natural biological processes, including healing. And we can manipulate these natural healing mechanisms to enhance our healing. Golden energy is separated out into its frequencies and turned into healing energy with a purpose. So we can use this golden energy healing on ourselves or send it to others. And lastly, we want to say that this system of energy healing focuses on the biological mechanisms behind energy healing. So the most important aspect of this course is the understanding. If you understand what's going on, you can manipulate these processes very easily. Okay, make sure you follow or subscribe for the next video lesson. See you soon.